Di ba nga ito ang iyong gusto? O ito'y lilisan na ako? Mga alaala'y ibabaon, kalakipang tamis ng kahapon. Gabing di namamalayang oras ay lumilipad, mga sandaling lumalayag kung saan man tayo mapadpad. Bawat kilig na nagdarama sa tuwing hawak ang iyong kamay, ito'y maling akala, isang malaking sablay. Pasensya ka na sa mga kathang isip kong ito, wari dala lang ng pagmamahal sa iyo. Ako'y gigising na sa panaginip kong ito, at sa wakas ay kusang lalayo sa iyo. Kano kabilis nagsimula, katong katulin na wala. Maaari ba tayong bumalik sa umpisa upang di na umasa pusong nag-iisa? Pasensya ka na sa mga kathang isip kong ito, wari dala lang ng pagmamahal sa iyo. Ako'y gigising na sa panaginip kong ito, at sa wakas ay kusang lalayo sa iyo. Sumabay sa agos na isinulat ng tadhana, na minsan siya'y para sa iyo, pero minsan siya'y paasa. Tatakbo papalayo, kakalimutan ang lahat. Pero kahit saan man lumingon, nasusulyapan ng kahapon, at sa aking bawat paghinga, ikaw nasa isip ko, sinta. Kaya't pasensya ka na sa mga kathang isip ko ito, wari dala lang ng pagmamahal sa iyo. Ako'y gigising na mula sa panaginip ko ito, at sa wakas ay kusang lalayo sa iyo. Lalayo sa, di ba nga ito ang iyong gusto? O ito'y sana ako. I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shiny lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.
Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas. Give Travi a wish list. I'd probably pull a Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't never had shit. Give away a few Mercedes like, here lady, have this. And last but not least, grant somebody their last wish. It's been a couple months that I've been single, so you can call me Travi Claus minus the ho-ho. Get it? I'll probably visit where Katrina hit, and damn sure do a lot more than FEMA did. Yeah, can't forget about me, stupid. Everywhere I go, I'ma have my own theme music.
Oh, every time I close my eyes,
what you see, bro?
I see my name in shiny lights.
And what else?
A different city every night. I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire. When I'm a billionaire.
Let's go. I'll be playing basketball with the president, dunking on his delegates. Then I compliment him on his political etiquette. Toss a couple million in the air just for the heck of it, but keep the 5s, 20s, 10s, and bins completely separate. Yeah, I'll be in a whole new tax bracket. We in recession, but let me take a crack at it. I'll probably take whatever's left and just split it up, so everybody that I love can have a couple bucks. And not a single tummy around me would know what hungry was, eating good, sleeping soundly. I know we all have a similar dream. Go in your pocket, pull out your wallet, put it in the air and sing.
I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had.
Buy everything.
I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen.
What up, Oprah?
Oh, every time I close my eyes,
What you see, bro?
I see my name in shiny lights.
And what else?
A different city every night. I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.
Yeah. Sing it.
When I'm a billionaire. I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad.
I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find a key without you. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight and not let go.
Ilang gabing di makatulog dahil sa iyo. Nagabang kahit sa panaginip, na mahawakan at mayakapan lang kita. Dahil tanggap ko na malabo ang maging tayong dalawa. Kaya umaasa na lamang ako'y umaasa sa'yo kahit na walang pag-asa. Magtsatsaga ako maghintay kung sakaling ika'y handa na. Ayoko nang magmahal, kung hindi rin ikaw. Ang dami kong mga plano noon sa'yo kung nagkataon.